In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Etsy account. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller or a first-time shopper, knowing how to access your account smoothly is crucial for managing your store or making that purchase. Let's dive right into it. To start, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're comfortable with. Once you've got your browser open, type in Etsy.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to Etsy's homepage, a familiar place for those of us keen on crafting or finding unique treasures. Pay attention to the top right corner of the web page. Here you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a login area where you'll need to key in your details. Now this part is crucial. Enter the email address, username, or mobile number that's linked to your Etsy account. This leads us to an important tip. Always ensure your login credentials are up to date and secure. It's a good habit to periodically update your password and use a unique one different from other accounts. Next, you have two options. If you prefer typing your password manually, you can do so in the designated field. Make sure you type it carefully to avoid any errors. Alternatively, Etsy gives you the option to log in via Google if you find it easier or you prefer not to remember another password. Using your Google account can streamline the process significantly. It's a nifty little shortcut, especially if you're a frequent Google user. After you've entered your login information, it's time to seal the deal. Click Sign In. If everything is correct, you'll be granted access to your Etsy account. Voila! You're now looking at your Etsy homepage or dashboard. Here's where you can browse for items, manage your listings, or customize your profile. Take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the dashboard once you're logged in. It's designed to be intuitive, but spending a few minutes clicking through different sections will make you even more efficient when using the platform. And there you have it, a seamless path to logging into your Etsy account. Remember, this is not just about accessing your account, but about ensuring your personal details are secure and your shopping or selling experience is smooth. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides on using Etsy effectively. See you in the next video.